बच्चों, today we shall read the Thayer's theorem. The statement of Thayer's theorem is, if a line is drawn parallel to a side of a triangle intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided into same ratio. It is the statement of this Thayer's theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to a side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided into same ratio. In this statement, we have given figure and to prove. First of all, we will make the figure. Figure is, in the statement, if a line is drawn parallel to a side of a triangle, it means we have given a triangle. First of all, we will draw a triangle, that is A, B and C. The name of this triangle is ABC. So we have given a triangle ABC. Then we can write given. What is given? Given triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is given, in which a line is drawn parallel to a side of a triangle. So here we have divided DE parallel to BC, intersect AB at D and AC at E. Therefore, given is triangle ABC, in which D is parallel to BC, intersect AB at D and AC at E. What is to prove? To prove is also given in this statement. Then, after then, there is to prove the other two sides are divided into same ratio. So the other two sides to prove is, other two sides are AB and AC, which intersect, where D intersect AB at D and AC at E. So therefore, we can say the ratio of AD upon BD is equal to AE upon C. Now construction is there. Join B and E, C and D, and draw DF perpendicular to AC. So therefore, construction will be join B and E, C and D, and draw DF perpendicular to AC. Now proof. Triangle BDE, this triangle BDE. In this figure, triangle BDE, you see the figure, triangle BDE and triangle CDE, this triangle CDE lie on the same base D and between same parallel lines D and BC. So we have read in class 9th, when the two triangles lie on the same base and between the same parallel lines, then they are equal in area. So therefore, area of triangle BD is equal to area of triangle CDE. It is equation number 1. Now, area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CDE. CDE is equal to, what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is half base into height. Area of triangle ADE will be, base is AE and perpendicular is DF. That is half AE into DF. Similarly, area of triangle CDE, here it is also half, base is C and height of this triangle is also DF. So we can cancel half by half and DF by DF. So we have left area of triangle AD upon area of triangle CD is equal to AE upon C. It is equation number 2. Similarly, we can find area of triangle ADE and area of triangle BDE. Here we have find area of triangle ADE and area of triangle CD is AE upon C. Similarly, area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE is equal to, that is AD upon BD. AD upon BD. It is equation number 3. Now from equation 1, 2 and 3. From equation 2 and 3, numerator of left sides are equal, area of AD and area of CD, but denominators are not equal. So from equation 1 we can see area of BD is equal to area of CD. So left side of equation 2, AD upon CD, and left side of equation 3 is AD upon BD, but the numerators are equal and denominators are also equal from equation 1. So therefore left side of equation 2 is equal to left side of equation 3. So we can say right side of equation 2 is equal to right side of equation 3. So therefore AD upon BD is equal to AE upon C. This theorem is proved. Thank you.